Okay, we are going to work on our phonics today. It is Wednesday, April 8th. This is Unit 6, Week 1. And our focus this week is the OO sound. Okay, it's from the spoon card. And we had 7 different ways to spell that OO sound. Okay, so I am going to move out of the way here so that we can review some words. Okay, one way to make the oo sound was using 2 O's. Remember, 2 O's can also say but this week we are focusing on oo. So if those 2 O's say oo, what's the word? Ool. Okay, UI is another way we can say oo. What's the word? Suit. Okay, EW can say oo. What's the word? Grew. Again, 2 O's can say but here we are talking about the oo sound. So the word is zoo. OU says oo. What's the word? Soup. Can you think of another sound that OU says? Ow. Okay, but again, this week we are focusing on oo. So OU says oo. Okay. U, consonant E, says oo. What's the word? Tune. O, oo, the word is noon. UI, oo, the word is suit. O, oo, the word is roof. Okay, so let's look at our suit again there. We can sound that out with spoot. The word is suit. Okay, let's blend it. Full, oot, the word is flute. Sp, oo, the word is spoon. St, oo, the word is stew. Tr, oo, the word is truth. Okay, I'm going to disappear here for a second so we can see all the sounds. Okay, let's do these sounds together. Ooh, sn, ooh, grr, ooh, s, ooh, ooh, bull, ooh, y, full, a, less, r. Okay, why do you think on the Y I said y and not e or I? Okay, I chose to say y because it is black and we can see that the vowel sounds are in red. Okay, let's move on to the next page. There we go. Okay, look, think, speak. Food. Look, think, speak. Two. Look, think, speak. New. Look, think, speak. Moo. Look, think, speak. Snoop. Look, think, speak. Room. Look, think, speak. Rule. Look, think, speak. Grew. Look, think, speak. Group. Look, think, speak. Youth. Look, think, speak. Juice. Look, think, speak. Zoom. Okay, you might have noticed that back on the section before that some of the word chunks or sound chunks that we looked at were full and less. So I'm going to come back here into the screen and we are going to talk a little bit about that full and that less. Okay, those have a special job. Those are called suffixes. Can you say suffixes? Okay, word parts that are added to the end of the word are suffixes. They help add meaning to the word. So here we have the root word help. It's one of our sight words. But here we keep the help, but we've added the suffix full. So help is still here. That's the root, but the suffix full has been added. Okay, when we add full to the end of a word, it literally means that it is full or full of. So helpful, if you call somebody helpful, you are saying that they are full of help. Okay, that's a nice thing to think about, isn't it? Okay, but the word less doesn't mean, when we add less to the end of our root, so here again we have help, but we have the suffix less, and that doesn't mean that we're getting a smaller amount, it means that we're without it. Okay, so when we add less, it means without. So helpless means they are without help. So a baby, we might say that a baby is helpless because they are without the ability to help themselves. Okay, they need older people to make sure that they get food, water, that they get clothes and things like that. They're helpless. They can't do it for themselves. Okay, they are without the ability to help themselves. So that is the purpose for suffixes. And we've looked at suffixes before, but it's been a while. Okay, so looking here, let's look at this first word, fearful. What is the root? It is fear. The suffix is full. If someone is fearful, it means they are full of a feeling of fear. Okay, the antonym for that might be considered joyful. Okay, so the opposite of fear might be joy, sadness, and joy. Depends which way you're looking at it, but you could say somebody who is joyful is full of joy, which is a contrast to someone who is full of fear. Okay. Toothless, we have the root word tooth, the suffix less. Toothless means they are without teeth. Okay. A baby is toothless. They don't have any teeth when they're really little. Okay. Useless. We might call garbage useless because it is without any use. Okay, there's no reason to keep it. It's useless. So that is how we work with our suffixes. Okay, so we're going to look at some of these. We have a root word. What is it? Pain. But we add the suffix full, and it means that it's full of pain. Okay, so a paper cut is painful because it fills you with pain. Okay, we have the root word end. Add on less, the word is endless, means without end. Okay, this quarantine seems endless. It seems like it's going on forever. Okay, without end. Use, add full. Okay, this is the opposite of before we saw useless. This is useful, meaning that it is full of use. We can find a lot of reasons to use something. Okay, the word is clue. We add the suffix less, so we have without clue, meaning without an idea. Okay, so if somebody asks you, what is the square root of 25? You might say, I'm clueless, because that's not something you've learned about yet. So you're without an idea, without a clue. Okay, hope, add the suffix full, full of hope, hopeful. Help, suffix less, helpless, without help. Harm, suffix full, harmful, without, full of harm. Spoon, full, a full spoon. If you want a spoonful of sugar, then you are filling the spoon with sugar. Cloud, less. If the sky is cloudless, it is without any clouds. Okay, let's look here. I'm going to just move down into the corner and let you look at this sentence. Look for those oohs, oohs. Here we have, this one is working as an ow. If you had tried it with an ooh, it would have said foond. I've never heard the word foond before. So if you try it with one sound and it doesn't make sense, try it with the other sound. So that one is an oo. Is not, sorry, it's not an oo, it's an ow. Okay, so I'm going to put ow here as a reminder. Okay, then we have ooh, we have ooh. Let's read the sentence. Ready? Begin. Luke and June found glue at school. Okay, let's look at this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, ready? Begin. Ruby used a spoon to stir the stew. Great. Let's look at our sight words for this week. Look, think, speak. Ben. Look, think, speak. Even. Look, think, speak. Oil. Look, think, speak. Number. Look, think, speak. Saw. Okay, we are going to read the flute youth. That looks interesting. Okay, sight words that are found in this story. They. 1. Enough. Answers. Busy. By. Brought. Should. Okay, so looking here, let's find some oohs. I'm going to move myself up here again. Actually, I'm just going to disappear so you can see the picture as well. Okay, so we are looking for clues. We have our ooh, 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 ooh. This is an example of This one's not ooh, this is an Ooh. This one's an ow. Okay, so we have both times that these sounds can make their other version in this story. This is another ow. Okay, so it looks like our focus on the ooh is the U blank E. Ooh, this one is an ooh. So here it was, so over on the other page it was ow, but over here this one's ooh. Ooh. This one's ow again. This one's or because we have the bossy R. Okay, so not as many oohs in here, but let's see how we can do reading it together. Move these out of the way so it's easier to read. Ready, begin. June and Jude are good pals. They like to listen to lots of tunes. They like the sound of loud drums and the noise of a big sax. One day, June said, "Let's start a flute group. We can play in a band and make up fun tunes." With wide eyes, Jude said, "Oh boy, that sounds like fun. We can go to each door and ask our pals. I hope we get enough answers to start our band." Take a moment, look through. There's a lot of words on this page, but you know what? You know how to find a lot of clues. Okay, so keep an eye out for those clues as we read together. Ready? Begin. Jude and June found many pals to join them. Then they went to a busy store that had things for the band. We need to buy the right stuff. I brought a coupon that we can use. We can get 5 flutes, said June. The band needed one last thing. What should our name be? The Flute Dudes? The Cougars? Asked Jude. June said, "I like those names you have, but I think we need a name that fits us best. we should be called the Flute Youth. Have a great day!